So the question will be, what's routing? Routing is just a way to send information to a network which is not known by your router. And so basically, if we go back the previous example where we had if like two routers or more routers, and this represents 192.168.1.0 network, and that represents 192.168.2.0 network. What happens is that on the two devices, on this router R1, and this is R2, let's say this is 10 network. Now R1 only knows about the 192.1 and then 10 network. R2 knows about 192.2 and then the 10 network. But if you look closely, R1 doesn't know about 192.2 network. And so when we talk about routing, routing is just like saying, how do we get to that other network that we don't know about? How do we get information about that network? And so it brings us to the concept of routing protocol. So a routing protocol is more like saying, how do I get to know about these networks and how do I get to go there? So routing is just making sure that you find a way to get to destinations which are not sitting within your router. And that's exactly what routing is.